Hey, what's up XRP holders? So today I have something special and something very new, my brother, for all of you now. Exactly, my brother, I will give you every day, my friends, very good news is now. So today absolutely I have two good news, my brother, for all of you. The first good news is very simple now, my brother. Two, the giveaway is coming soon, so kindly if you want to participate in XRP giveaway, so just only you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. And the second good news, my brother, absolutely our prediction is going to be positive now, and I have also live predicted this coin, so you will be better understand now. Let's see, my brother. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Alright, my brother, this time you can see here the XRP prediction is absolutely I will predicate live and this chart exactly where, my brother, in upcoming time they will gonna show you to they will moving upward now. Absolutely, you can see here plus 0.02% profit now, and that's the equal, as you can see, my brother. After this fails, they will take a jump, so they will continue. As you can see, my brother, the arrow is moving in upward direction. The last arrow is moving in upward direction, so that's clear to XRP will give you a very good profit in upcoming time. So why you miss this chance? Take a profit definitely, my friend, in upcoming time. If you hold, if you have any plan to invest more, so I know they will give you a profit in the last of August now. So don't miss this chance. Take a profit, please hold it, don't say it, hold it. Allah Hafiz holder, please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type good news videos.